Hi, my name is Bev. I had an excellent experience with National Ramp. There are professional people who installed it. They did it within about 3.5 hours. I go shopping at least once a week, and I cannot climb the 6 steps in front of my house anymore. Instead, I put it into a carrier that has wheels on it and pull it up my ramp right into my kitchen. What I really enjoy about this ramp is my veranda out there, my landing. I have a chair out there and a table, and I take out some birdseed and feed it to all the little critters out there. What I had out there before was concrete, and the step down was getting too deep for me to step down. With the platform here that I have my veranda, it's level with the floor of my kitchen, so I just walk right out. It's like continuation. It makes it real easy for me. I initially was thinking about a wooden ramp, but after talking with National Ramp, I realized that a metal ramp was a better choice for me. Thank you, National Ramp, for giving me my freedom back.